Hello, this is a short message for Kia Rio owners, although this problem is suffered by other cars. If you're driving along and your all light flickers up occasionally, or you're finding your all light takes longer to go out and you're getting a weird whirling noise, just like a worn out power steering pump or a power steering pump that's low on oil, unfortunately what you need to do is take your sump off, take your oil pump feed pipe off, and it has a stupid little filter on the end of it. This filter could ideally be at least twice the size of this, and it blocks up with muck. That should be a metal gauze in there. So what happens is obviously it restricts the oil going up into the pump, and your oil pump makes a funny whirring noise, like cavitating, I suppose. And it's not a very nice job to do. I can quickly show you under the car. It's not easy to do. Let's get a light. So that's where the pump fits, up there. And one of the biggest problems you have to do is the aircon pump. Just take the bottom bolts completely out, loosen up the top ones by about 1/4 inch each, that then prop the pump back from the block. The next problem you'll have is the sump doesn't clear the engine mounting up here. So what I done was I took the bottom bolt out and just simply pushed it over, allowing the sump to drop past. But there you go. Manufacturers, bloody clever, aren't they? Don't care about it lasting for a long duration, as long as it lasts long enough, and that's it. So if you get this problem, that's what you got to do. Get your sump off and find your way to clean, get off the floor again, that filter out. What I've done is I've washed it out with washing up liquid and kitchen cleaner, oven cleaner. But what I'm going to do now is I have some hydrochloric acid. I'm going to actually leave it immersed in hydrochloric acid, and if it doesn't look clean, then I should probably heat it up red hot with a blowtorch, and then put it back into the hydrochloric acid, and then wash it up with just washing up liquid. So if that helps anybody, so don't forget, it'll be a whirring noise. Your all light will take longer to go out and may flicker up while you're driving. If you don't intercept this problem pretty damn quick, that'll be it. Your engine will be destroyed. Also, there are other cars, Fords as well, that also suffer from a very similar problem. So if that helps anybody, there you go. Bye for now.